today we're at Rossiter Road to see this immaculately presented 3-bedroom terrace property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Internally, you'll find the layout really fits family life. You've got a bay for your Christmas tree, you've got lovely big lounge, open through to a kitchen diner and downstairs loo. Upstairs, you've got 3 good sized bedrooms. Even the 3rd bedroom is a really reasonable size with low maintenance, but again, good sized garden to the back with rear access. Take a look around. Okay, so hopefully you like what you've seen today. It's a beautiful property, still got a little bit on its NHBC guarantee left as well, so really great buy for a first-time buyer, or anyone really. But give me a call, drop me an email, I'd love to see you. Thanks so much.